Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming NFC and FIDO2 support. This matters because the key uses a short-range radio to communicate securely. Once done, enable NFC in Settings and unlock your account on the device where you'll add the key. Make sure the security key is charged or has fresh battery if applicable, and keep your primary login and 2FA method handy so you can verify identity during pairing. Start the Add Security Key flow in your account now. You'll follow the service prompts and choose Add Security Key, then select NFC. When the system asks, tap the metal edge or designated spot of the key to the phone's NFC area and hold it steady for 1 to 2 seconds. This ensures the antenna aligns for a reliable exchange. After the device reads the key, verify the account prompt and give the key a clear name so you can recognize it later. Make sure to accept any displayed security confirmations. Once registered, immediately test by signing out and signing back and using the NFC key so you confirm the flow works end-to-end. You should also set up a backup key or save recovery codes in a secure place to avoid lockout. If pairing fails, move to a quieter location with less interference, remove thick phone cases, and clean the key and phone contact areas. Then retry tapping, and if needed, reboot the phone before attempting registration again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.